team is perfect, children are perfect, everything is perfect here. Yeah. We are responsible for cleaning cities in Istanbul, so the responsible mayor is this.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice
to meet you.
This is the technician for environment technician.
Hello, nice to meet you.
And this is the other vice mayor. Yes, friends. We see your show. The show was perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Hoor je dat, jongens?
Really perfect, really perfect.
Really perfect.
We invite you to Istanbul to perform the same show in Istanbul.
Really?
Really?
We can go to Istanbul.
Of course, we are waiting for it.
Istiyoruz.
Thank you.